She has called me names and insulted me just for sitting down in the seat, saying that I came here to celebrate today.
Is there going to be a problem?
There will be. I would like for him to change seats with someone.
No, I'm going to get somebody. Well, you don't have that right. So I will get somebody to come and talk.
You pretend you have the moral high ground, but you put that man's finger on the nape of your butt. That man doesn't believe in climate change. Do you believe in gravity? Did you know gravity is just a theory?
Gravity belongs to me.
Right. Where?
We're gonna have to take you off this plane. We're gonna have to take you off this plane right there. You gravity belongs to come from this. Yes. You gravity belongs to come from this.
I paid for this seat and I'm sitting. He is in my space.
She's causing hostilities.
These are one of two ways. I need you to grab your phone to come from here. Or I can escort it off the plane. The transportation police.
I'm going home now. My mother-in-law, his mother, died. He had to be here. I'm going home. There is no way I'm getting off this plane.
That issue on the plane, and you are going to be a lot of issues right now.
Fine, I'll be quiet. I'll just sit.
You're not going to be allowed to take this plane. I'm not going to allow that either.
I've talked to the captain.
Captain wants to go? Okay. So at this point, the captain wants you off as well. So I'm going to have to let you grab your belongings and come.
I'm going to be informed in my own bed tonight after being at my mother-in-law's.
Unfortunately, not on this plane. You can get your rebook on something else and see what else we have, but I can't be on this.
My husband lost his mother. Have some respect.
And I'm terribly sorry for that, but that does not give you a right to treat me the way you treat me.
What if we trade seats and she quiets down? How would that be?
And really, at this point, the captain has already been called, and it's no longer...
The captain doesn't know yet. He's still what you always say.
Let's try that.
Please ask him again if we settle down, if that can be okay.
My husband lost his mother.
Sorry. I have to get one more in.